Well, this is one serious monsoon. First really deluge. It was 108 the day before. Yesterday. 107 today. And cold front comes in from the east, and it's having a hissy fit. But, well, I think I'll go in the back and see if I can see anything. Oh no! The wind knocked over my post, set in concrete, been like there for 23 years. It takes this storm today to knock it out of the ground. Yeah, it's definitely a storm. Okay, and we're expecting more all the way through till 10, 11 o'clock tonight at least. That's a lake over there that wasn't there this afternoon. It's about 5:40 right now, 5:30, and it is coming down. Yep. Well, it has been raining now non-stop about 15-20 minutes, and street over there, the ditch is filling up, and I can't get a picture because my head's not going around the door. There we go. It's called flooding for monsoon season. Oh boy. Yeah. Boy, this cool air feels good. Oh, there goes somebody braving the ditch and the water. Well, not that deep, but it's slippery as, whoa, slippery slidey. Off in the ditch. Probably not a good plan. Wow. Yeah, slippery slidey. It's got that mud slick underneath it from the runoff from the fields. Oh, here comes another. The wind comes in first, and yesterday it blew the lid up on the trash can, stayed up all while it was raining. This morning I went out and made the trash can level, then measured the rain. 3 inches in 30 minutes.